Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to build a deviation card using a distant object. In this video, I'll show you how to get deviation in 4 easy steps. Let's dive into it. Step 1. Swinging the ship through 360 degrees. Choose a distant, fixed object for taking bearings to. Ensure the object is far enough, not less than 8 miles, so that its direction remains practically unchanged from any point on the circle the compass describes during the swing. Slowly swing the ship in the smallest circle possible, using the bow thruster if available. Take bearings to the distant object every 45 degrees on equidistant headings. Every 10 degrees is preferable. This is best accomplished by 3 people. One takes the bearings, one observes the ship's course, and one records the readings in a table. Step 2. Calculating the magnetic bearing. Find the average compass bearing as follows. Add up all compass bearings and then divide by the number of observations, in our case 8. The resulting average compass bearing is considered the magnetic bearing. Step 3. Determining deviation for each compass heading. Find the difference between the magnetic bearing, found in Step 2, and the bearing of the object in the second column. The sign of the deviation, east or west, can be determined by the idiom, compass best error west, compass least error east. A simple sketch can help visualize whether the deviation is west or east. Deviation is measured from magnetic north to compass north. This can be explained as follows. In an environment free from magnetic disturbances, the needle of an adjusted magnetic compass points to magnetic north. However, when the same compass is placed on board a ship and exposed to magnetic disturbances due to the presence of metal and electrical equipment, the needle deviates from pointing towards magnetic north. The new direction to which the needle points is referred to as compass north. Therefore, deviation is measured from magnetic north to compass north. Plot the deviation data as a graph on the card. You're all set.